We saw already big price cuts in China. A lot of people were wondering if that was region specific, but now we're seeing huge lops off of the tag in the U.S. as well as, well, at least Germany and the U.K. too, right?
Yeah, France as well. It's really looking, more or less like Europe-wide. So, and to your point, Matt, these are not just little trims. These are big reductions. We're talking about 20% for the Model Y, which is their top model globally. For the Model S and X Plaid, you're seeing huge decreases and other iterations of those vehicles as well. So some of this can be chalked up, of course, to wanting to get their vehicles eligible for tax credits in the U.S., but it's not only that, right? This applies to markets where there aren't any changes in incentives from governments, and it applies to models that even after these pretty significant price cuts, they're way above the limits.
What's it mean for rival car producers then, Craig? I was looking at a breakdown of European stocks today, and autos stands out as by far and away the worst performing sector today. This is really weighing on the sector.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're definitely still in a position of more demand than the industry can meet for electric vehicles, but this doesn't necessarily inspire a ton of confidence about, being able to sustain the pricing power that this industry has been able to over the last, year plus. And, I think we do have to sort of acknowledge that, the last couple of years have been, not at all normal, right? These are companies that are really production constrained. The chip shortage has been a significant issue, and so we've seen, waiting lists for EVs and combustion vehicles as well for some time now.
Just finally, Craig, very quickly, are we going to see more board pressure on Elon Musk, the man himself?
I think we're already hearing a fair amount of that and seeing a fair amount of that, even with shareholders that are big fans of Musk. They want to see more out of Tesla in terms of, what's the bench like and what the succession plan is going forward after the events of the last few months where he's, moved his attention away to Twitter.